Hello students, I am Shrimati Anita Alkunte from Sangmeshwar College. Today we are going to learn writing skills. Now we have a new textbook to study. Third section in the textbook, it is for writing skill. In 11th standard, we have learned many topics related to the writing skill like expansion of idea, blog writing, emails, interview, film review, the art of comparing, appeal leaflet, letter writing. And so we already have learned these topics there. Now here that we are going to learn another topic or the next topic of the communication skill, that is summary writing. Actually already you are familiar with these topics. We have learned this topic in 11th standard, but in 12th standard you have it is in detail. It is a separate topic that we have given for study. Now what is summary writing? Summary writing is a record in a reader's own words that gives the main points of a piece of writing, such as a newspaper article, the chapter of a book, newspaper article or the chapter of a book or even a whole book. समरी रायटिंग म्हणजे काय की जो वाचक आहे तो वाचक स्वतःच्या शब्दामध्ये एखादं जे काही वाचलेलं एखादं पेपर मधला आर्टिकल असेल किंवा पुस्तक असेल पूर्ण किंवा पुस्तकामधला एखादा भाग असेल तर तो थोडक्यात जो लिहितो त्याला आपण काय म्हणत असतो की समरी रायटिंग म्हणत असतो. ए समरी ओमिट्स details and does not include the reader's interpretation of the original. Summary, what is summary actually? While you are writing summary, you omit details. Summary लिहिताना तुम्ही काय करता, जो जास्तीचा स्पष्टीकरणाचा भाग आहे तो तुम्ही काय करता की अवॉइड करता, तो टाळता त्या ठिकाणी. and does not include the reader's interpretation. We never write our own interpretation. आपण आपलं स्वतःचं मत किंवा आपल्याला जे काही समजलं ते लिहित नाही. Now see there. Ki summary means actually what here? When you read lesson or you read a story, or we like to watch movie, but whenever you go to see movie and you come back at home, that your parents, your friends, they ask you about a movie there. What do you do there? Yes, you never tell the story in detail there. You just summarize it. You try to tell in short. You never narrate the dialogue of hero and heroine or the villain's dialogue. You don't. Or whatever the story you have learned, read there, or the lesson you have learned, you try to tell in short there things. So the telling the thing in short or writing the thing in short, it is called summary writing. Now here, how to write summary writing? How to write summary writing? So while you are writing summary, you keep in mind these things there. Write an introductory sentence that state the topic of the summary. Means whenever you are writing summary, you write your first line, should be introductory. Means what is the passage is about, what the passage is telling here. Passage काय सांगतो, कशाविषयी सांगतो, हे तुम्ही लिहिलं पाहिजे. Turn the main ideas into sentences using your own words. Means when you are writing summary, you have to pick out or take out the main main ideas from the passage, core part of the passage. Passageचा core part तुम्हाला बाहेर काढायचा असतो. तो बाजूला काढून you have to form a sentence with the help of it. त्याच्या आधारे तुम्ही sentence तयार करायचे. You can combine some of the main ideas into one sentence. Now what happened there? Whenever you are writing these main ideas, you will find that more than 2, 3, 4 main ideas, you will find that more points in the passage. So it is not possible that you can stuff or you can write that all points in one sentence. So you can make a more than one sentences there. Now, what are the things you have to keep in mind while you are writing summary? Do's of summary writing. What? Read and reread and understand. वाचा, पुन्हा वाचा आणि समजून घ्या passage. Read instructions. Read the given passage to find out. Instructions नीट वाचा आणि काय find out करा? What the passage is about. Means while you are reading, the passage, you must try to find out what is the passage about. कशाविषयी आहे, what its tone is, काय सांगत आहे त्या, what type of writing it is, कसलं लेखन आहे ते. Find what exactly you need to see. तुम्हाला नक्की passage मधनं काय पाहिजे ते शोधलं पाहिजे. For example, suppose there in the examination you have to be asked there, this is a passage about deforestation. So write the bad effects of deforestation on human beings life. ह्युमन बीइंगच्या लाईफवर, माणसाच्या जीवनावर होणाऱ्या जंगलतोडीचा परिणाम, वाईट परिणाम. So if the passage is about deforestation, from the passage you have to take out only regarding what their bad effects on human being. Okay, so means this is called what? Find what exactly you need to see. Means what is actually asked in the question, focus on it, and then you try to write it. Identify ideas through process of asking question. And what you do? Ask a question to the passage and you will get an ideas. Form short sentence of your own. स्वतः तयार करा वाक्य with the help of the main points. पॅसेज मधल्या मेन पॉइंटच्या आधारे तुमचं स्वतःच ऍड करायचं नाही, पण दिलेल्या त्याच्या आधारे तुम्ही सेंटेन्स फॉर्म करू शकता. कनेक्ट अ सेंटेन्स युझिंग लिंकिंग वर्ड्स. लिंकिंग वर्ड्स यूज करा आणि सेंटेन्स फॉर्म करा. रिमूव्ह रिडंडंट अँड सिलेक्ट की सेंटेन्सेस. अतिरिक्त भाग आहे, स्पष्टीकरण आहे, तो टाळायचा आणि मुख्य सेंटेन्सेस घ्यायचे. ओमिट डिटेल्स. अतिरिक्त जे स्पष्टीकरण आहे ते टाळा. एक्स्ट्रा एक्झाम्पल्स, इवन अति एक्झाम्पल्स दिले असतील, खूप एक्झाम्पल दिले असतील, ते सुद्धा घ्यायचे नाहीत. अवॉइड युअर ओन इंटरप्रिटेशन. तुमचं स्वतःच जे तुम्हाला जे अंडरस्टँडिंग झालेलं आहे ते लिहायचं नाही. Now what are the linking words? This is the list of a few common linking words, such as, such that, either or, both and, neither nor, hardly had, scarcely when, though, although, as, instead of, and, with, but, or. These are the common linking words. Now you can use these common linking words and can frame sentences. What are the don'ts of summary writing? Summary writing चे don'ts काय, म्हणजे कुठल्या गोष्टी तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवल्या पाहिजे, त्या अवॉइड केल्या पाहिजेत, घ्यायच्या नाही. इन्क्लूड, स्वतःचं इंटरप्रिटेशन इन्क्लूड करायचं नाही. एक्सक्लूड, मूळ आत्मा जो आहे, व्हॉट इज द ओरिजिनॅलिटी ऑफ द पॅसेज, यू नेव्हर एक्सक्लूड इट. पॅसेजची जी ओरिजिनॅलिटी ती घालवायची नाही. ऍड, स्वतःच, यू डोंट ऍड युअर ओन एक्झाम्पल्स और युअर ओन पॉइंट्स. स्वतःचे पॉइंट्स ऍड करायचे नाहीत. कमेंट, यू डोंट कमेंट ऑन, यू डोंट गिव्ह युअर ओन ओपिनियन. स्वतःचं मत मांडायचं नाही. एक्झाम्पल्स, don't give your own example and avoid extra examples given in the passage. Points to write summary. Now this is the most important thing, how to present your summary writing. While you are writing summary, that's most of the students, what they do there, they write very lengthy summary. Summary writing means that they goes on writing such a big paragraph. मोठा पॅरेग्राफ लिहितात, लेंथी पॅरेग्राफ लिहितात. तसं नाही. शॉर्ट मीन्स शॉर्ट समरी, छोटा पॅरेग्राफ. सपोज युअर आन्सर बुक, यू रिमेंबर दॅट in answer book, that I think so that only beginning few lines means 10 lines, beginning to 10 to 7 lines in the answer book, and that is enough for that. Now see how to write it. Write a summary in short and it should be in 50 to 70 words. 50 ते 70 शब्दातर्फे. And write summary in 5 to 6 line. 5 to 6 line means what there? Sentence. 1 sentence, 2 sentence, 3 sentence, 4 sentence, 5 sentence, 6 sentence. Sentence should be there. That is your line. Write a short paragraph. Means don't write lengthy. To summarize passage according to the main ideas provided in it. पॅसेज मध्ये जे आयडियाज प्रोव्हाइड केलेले आहेत त्या, व्हॉट एव्हर यू टेक आउट, तुम्ही ज्या बाजूला काढलेल्या आहेत त्या आयडियाज, त्या आयडियाच्या आधारेच तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, पॅसेज तयार करायचा आहे. देन हाऊ टू प्रेझेंट इट. राईट टायटल. Summary with the help of the given points. Whatever the points you are took out or given points are there, with the help of that you write summary. or instruction provided in the question. Read question carefully and according to that you write your summary. Sometimes they provide you points also. Sometimes they provide you points also. तुम्हाला points सुद्धा दिले जातात. त्या पॉइंट्सच्या आधारे सुद्धा तुम्ही काय करू शकता, समरी देऊ शकता. जे पॉइंट्स तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत, गिवन पॉइंट्स, त्याच्या आधारे तुम्ही समरी करायची आणि पॉइंट्स लिहायचे. नाउ दिस इज अ पॅसेज. And this passage is there. This passage is about what there. Write a summary on what can be done to overcome social ills among your young. की तुमचे जे तरुण मुलं आहेत, ती तरुण मुलांमध्ये असणारी जे काही सामाजिक वाईट वर्तणूक आहे ते कशा कमी करायच्या त्याच्याविषयी आहे. मग त्याच्यासाठी कोणी प्रिकॉशन्स घेतले पाहिजे, दॅट इज डिस्कस्ड इन दिस पॅसेज. मीन्स पॅरेंट्स अँड टीचर्स, they play a very important role in it, in this. So the passage is about that, so that you can read this passage and can understand it. Now here say that your summary must not be more than 60 words, including the 10 words given. 10 words given means that usually you have to be asked that to overcome social ills among the young everyone has. तुम्हाला सांगितलं जातं की दिलेला प्रश्न जो आहे, म्हणजे दिलेला जो पॅरेग्राफ आहे तो दिलेल्या या वाक्याने सुरुवात करा. सो दॅट इज 10 points, 10 words are here. To be continuous writing should be there. Be written in one paragraph. Use your own words as far as possible without changing its original meaning. So don't change originality of the passage there, but can use your own words there. So here see the summary of the passage. So the in a short word, it is written in short paragraph. See, to overcome social ill among the young, everyone has, now this is beginning, a role to play. The most important people are the parents. They must take a keen interest in teaching their children principles right from the start. Teachers too must help educate a child on what is right and wrong. They must be extra vigilant and report any misbehavior to the parents immediately. Now this paragraph is written in only 61 words. Okay, so you can write the passage in 50 to 70 words is asked there. So sometimes you have to be provided their points, and with the help of that points you can make your paragraph. So your paragraph should be short. Your paragraph should be short, and this is called what? That summary writing. See your textbook. In your textbook, there are the examples given there. With the help of that example, try to write summary writing. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.